Visit Ford Country in the Valley Auto Mall today.
You are going to love the 2016 Taurus. This is it. Crafted by an obsessive engineering and design team, the Taurus was created to compete with some of the world's best. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, remote engine start, driver's side remote mirror, outside temperature gauge, braking assist, power brakes, interval wipers. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
This Ford certified pre-owned vehicle has undergone a rigorous inspection by factory-trained technicians. We notice everything. Enjoy the confidence of the comprehensive limited warranty that offers coverage on more than 500 components. Relax, it's covered. See your dealer for details.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.
Visit Ford Country in the Valley Auto Mall